Karnataka this, Karnataka that, huh? You North Indians are rapists. In Delhi this happens, that happens, huh? Now what happened? A World Heritage Site that has been recognized by the UNESCO and that has been subjected as the World Heritage Site where 1 lakh tourists visits every year. Now in this place a rape case is happening. Huh? You Kannadigas? Every time you people say, oh, maybe he was a Hindi wala, maybe he was a this wala, that wala, because there is always an excuse for you people to cover your own crimes, to cover everything, that everything is smooth in Karnataka. We are very cultural people, educated people. Where that fucking education has gone now? What is happening now? What is happening in the Hampi, huh? Is it not very sad? You people have not gathered now. I don't find you people now coming down in the comments saying anything wrong to your Kannadigas that who have done the rape cases. Huh? And what is your police doing? You say that your state is very safe. And then you say our North Indian girls are, always wrong because they raise voice, because they know well your people how they are. That's the reason they are very much scared in sitting in the auto also, because auto people are also very much harassing and they know we are safe. Why? Because our people are fool. Since we are Kannadigas, and if you do any crime in Karnataka, Karnataka will not bother anything about this. Reason behind we are Kannadigas, and Kannadigas knows another Kannadiga doing any crime is not a crime for them because they are Kannadiga. Huh? Now what is this? In Hampi, this crime has happened. 1 lakh tourist visits every year. 1 lakh tourists. It's the World Heritage Site, right? Now, is it not something very dangerous? Is it not something very unsafe? Huh? What is happening in Karnataka? You know why you were safe before? Because media was not, focusing on you people. Because the media, we are also again in the top in the media, because Hindi media is top. People watch more to watch the ABP News and all. They usually cover most of the times Mumbai and the northern parts of India. South, they never covered it. So your politicians have always covered the crime that is happening around, and they have always kept it secret. And that's the reason people think, oh, it's very safe. It is not safe. If media will come on the focus, now every crime will come up like this in the highlight. Huh? And that too at such a place which should be, the most safest, Now what is happening? And who are the rapists? Again, Kannada people. These Kannadigas are doing everything. Huh? You're not sparing the tourists also now. Now what? Now what was the reason of a rape? Hindi, Kannada. What was the reason? They were not speaking in Kannada or they were speaking in Hindi. Because either you have a problem with the Hindi or either you have a problem for not speaking Kannada. And for that, you people have raped a word. And you says we are very rich. You people do not have money, everything. What? Do you know why the rape has happened? Because they were asking 100 rupees for the petrol. They didn't have the money for the petrol. And one of the guy from that group who was from Odisha, he gave 20 rupees. And what? They demanded 80 rupees more. And for the sake of that, they threw all the 3 men in the water canal. Out of them, 2 got saved because they were knowing swimming. It was just one guy from the Orissa, he died. Unfortunately, may God rest his soul in the peace. He unfortunately couldn't swim and he died. And the other 2 movements, they did not throw them on the canal because they wanted to rape. They raped them. And today is the date 90% of the Israeli tourists have vacated that place. Do you know that? It's a shame you're bringing to our country, bloody. Huh? Every time you have a reason to escape, every time you have a reason to cover. Now don't try to cover this also. If it is wrong, it is wrong. Don't try to cover this also now, because this is a national news that has become, and it is very worst. I hate